guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Chasing Holidays. Today, we're taking you on a trip from Narita Terminal 3 all the way to Narita Airport in Japan. So if you're ready for some travel vibes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this adventure. By the way guys, we already checked in online. We booked a flight with Jetstar Japan, Manila to Narita. So our flight will depart at 12:05 a.m. but we were already at the airport at 5 p.m. Make sure that you have your travel documents ready. Example, your flight itinerary, your boarding pass, passport, any applicable visa, and of course your supporting documents. So good thing that we arrive early that day because ang haba ng pila sa immigration. So diba, hinanap namin yung flight namin. Syempre wala pa dyan kasi the next day pa yan. So dahil maaga kami, mag-withdraw muna kami tapos magpapalit kami ng Japanese yen. So sa arrivals area, doon yung maraming ATM. So, kumain muna kami. Ang dami naming oras. So, right now guys, we've already passed immigration. So, yun nga, mahaba yung pila that day. So, buti na lang maaga kami. So, since, I think mga 9 p.m. pa lang yata, or 10 p.m. So, yun, ang bagal naming maglakad. Pansin nyo ba? Kasi, mahaba pa yung oras namin. So, naghanap-hanap muna kami dito ng makakain. Tapos, eto na nga. Ayan, so ready for boarding na. At hindi ko na alam kung anong pagkatao ko dito guys kasi sobrang delay yung flight dito. Like 2 hours yata yung delay. Tapos, sobrang antok ko na kasi parang past 2 a.m. na yata to. So, parang naka-autopilot na lang ako habang naglalakad. Sobrang antok na ako. So, later we'll share with you our flight experience with Jetstar Japan. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in our next vlog.